5 machines. 1 garage. Real profit numbers nobody shows you. A laser engraver that turns an $8 blank cup into a $45 sale. A DTF printer producing shirts at $2.10 that sell for $22. These are not theory. Verified machine prices. Real production cost. Real profit per unit for every single machine on this list. While everyone chases the same 3D printer content, these 5 tools are still almost untouched by small business owners. Machine price cost per unit. Selling price and margin. No fluff. No trending on Kickstarter. Just real numbers. Most garage business videos show you the same 3D printer everyone already owns. These 5 machines cover 5 different product categories, 5 different customers, and 5 different profit margins. Here is exactly what each one costs, what it makes, and what it sells for. Machine 1. The X-Tool S1 Rotary Laser Engraver. Best for cups, glasses, and tumblers. Machine price $1,699. Production cost per unit. A blank stainless steel cup costs about $8. Engraving takes under 2 minutes and costs less than 50 cents in electricity. Selling price $35 to $45 per cup, personalized with a name or design. That is a profit margin of roughly 75% per unit before you even touch bulk cup pricing, which pushes it even higher. Customers are wedding parties, sports teams, and corporate gifting, people who already buy in batches of 20 or more. Machine 2. The SainSmart Genmitsu Desktop CNC Router. Best for wood signs. Machine price around $600. Production cost per unit. A wood blank runs about $5, plus roughly 20 minutes of machine time per sign. Selling price $40 to $60 for a custom carved wood sign. Machine 3. The Elegoo Saturn for Ultra Resin 3D Printer. Best for miniatures and collectibles. Machine price about $550. Production cost per unit. Resin for one detailed miniature costs $1 to $2. Print time is roughly 2 hours, but multiple miniatures print at once on a single plate. Selling price $15 to $25 per painted or unpainted miniature. Margins here go past 90% per unit. And the tabletop gaming community is one of the most loyal, highest repeat buyer bases in the entire maker economy. Machine 4. The Snapmaker Artisan. 3 tools in 1. Laser, CNC, and 3D printer. Machine price around $4,000. The highest upfront cost on this list. Production cost per unit varies by product, but a custom engraved nameplate or coaster set runs about $3 in material. Selling price $20 to $30 per custom piece. The real advantage here is not the margin on one product. It is not needing 3 separate machines taking up 3 separate spots in your garage. This one machine covers ever. Machine 5. The MZKA for DTF printer. Best for custom t-shirts. Machine price around $1,000. Production cost per unit. A DTF transfer print costs about $2.10, plus a blank shirt at $5. Total cost under $8 per shirt. Selling price $22 to $25 per custom printed shirt. That is close to 70% profit margin. And unlike screen printing, DTF lets you print one single shirt profitably. No minimum order, which means every custom request from a customer is pure profit, not just bulk orders. 5 machines, 5 categories, real numbers. You can check yourself before you spend a single dollar. Total startup cost for all 5 under $7,000. But you do not need all 5 to start. Pick the one that matches a customer base you already know. Biz, you already know. We show machines and business ideas nobody else covers. Subscribe if you want the next 15.